Before diving into the meat of the course, first I'd like to answer the most important question. What is Google Data Studio? So Google Data Studio is a free tool that turns your data into informative, customizable dashboards. And it is easy to read and easy to share. So a few features from Google Data Studio. It allows you to visually organize your data through highly configurable charts and tables. You can connect to a variety of data sources. You can share insight with your team or various stakeholders. You can collaborate on reports with your team. So in this course, we're going to build this beautiful dashboard that connects to data from our monitoring system. So this dashboard here, we're going to build all of this. And if you're not familiar with Google Data Studio, then I encourage you to look around and read the documentation. So you can hop into a browser and search for Google Data Studio. And there's really a lot of information in here. There's also a gallery here where you can explore different reports that are already made, so you can see what's really possible to build with Google Data Studio.